Thank you for calling. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. For directions and unloading hours, please press 1. To access our company, I transfer your call.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so we provide top entry, side entry, bottom entry, and mag drive mixers, as well as glass line steel and alloy vessels, to optimize each application process, such as process, reactors, vessels, and simple blend tanks. And so, we have over 140 different impeller designs, offering rugged and reliable mixers in the market today. We do have over like this in the industry. Do you currently have a partner, helping you with the design and implementation of tank mixers and agitators?
Nobody we're really partnered with. We're just running off some old equipment that we currently have.
Okay, you're running
definitely would like to see some information on something. Always looking at ways to maximize our throughput for production. So if
So
you got something you could shoot over on an email, a line sheet, or some information about what you got.
Yeah, of course. I don't know if you would have. Yeah, we could definitely shoot that over. Well, how about this? Because actually, just to kind of, we do a Zoom introduction, which might be more beneficial, so that you kind of visually see what we have. It's a consultation introduction. Are you Central Time Zone?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Can we put something on the calendar for Zoom introduction? Would you have some time on Friday? You want to pick a day next week? Like, what would be good for you?
Yeah, this week is not a good week. We're experiencing an extreme weather now with winter weather. And
you getting a lot of ice right now?
Oh yeah, we're in pretty bad shape trying to get back running. So maybe one day middle of next week would be better for me.
Okay. How about February 4th? It's a Wednesday.
Yep, that'll work.
Okay. And then how about Brad? How's this time? 2:00.
2:00 usually works pretty good for me. I've got most of my morning management meetings out of the way, so afternoons are a little cleared up for me.
Okay, perfect. So and then I'm going to send you a calendar invite. So what is your
.com.
So
yes, sir.
And then what is your title?
Operations manager.
Okay, ops manager. And then and just before you let go, I know you're running some old equipment. Do you have a time frame for any projects coming up?
I don't really have anything, but the potential is always out there. If it's something that could maximize what we're doing, it could definitely. We're always looking at ways to save money and be more efficient to do a better job faster. But
perfect.
Could potentially lead to more business. You never know.
Of course. Okay. It sounds like you're always looking. So this is the Zoom will be a great start. So perfect. So we'll send you a calendar invite. It's going to be from our president, and it'll be a Zoom for February 4th at 2:00.
Okay. All right. I look forward to getting the invite, and if something changes and I see that I can't make the meeting, I'll try to reschedule, but I don't see a reason now I couldn't make it.
Yeah, we understand with weather, and we understand. So that's this time of year. So all right, perfect. Be in contact, and we'll talk to you on the 4th.
Yes, sir. Thanks for calling.
Anytime. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yep, bye.